Hi Goenkans. Today's topic is word processing. As we are going to start unit 3, which is word processing intermediate. Now, first of all, I'll give just about what is word, why we use this word, what is that, what it came from, who is developer of this application, and all these things. See, Microsoft Office Word is an application, is the Microsoft Office suite. It's developed by the Microsoft Inc. Redmond, Washington. See, Microsoft Office suite contains different applications. For example, MS Word is there, MS Excel is there, MS PowerPoint is there, Groove is there, MS Publisher is there, MS Access is there. So Microsoft Word processing is an application which comes with the Microsoft Office suite. This word processing application is used to make, manage, manipulate, maintain the documents. We can make documents in word processing. Any file in MS Word is called a document. So let's go through the practical. I'll show how to open this file, how to make the files in a Microsoft Office Word, how to open the files, how to work in MS Word. Let's go through the practicals now. So see, this is the desktop before you. If you want to open a Microsoft file, Word file here from your computer, that software must be installed in your system first. Now right click anywhere on the desktop, there you will find this new option. Then after new, go to this Microsoft Office Word file is on this list. So I'll click on this Microsoft Office Word. I'll click here. This is new Microsoft Word document. I can change the name of this file. This is class 10. Now I double click on the file to open it. This is Microsoft Office 2019, which is the latest version of this suite. Now you can see this is the document. This is an empty document. We will have to work on the document. You can see the cursor is blinking on the work area. Here you can see the rulers here. Now this is the toolbar, this is the insert ribbon, this is design ribbon, this is layout ribbon. We will have to work on all these ribbons. First of all, I'll go to the home option. Then for example, we will have to work with the fonts today. For example, I type, this is a file, this is my file. Okay, I like this file. Okay, now I'll click here and move this text towards the right side of the document. I'll type tab 1 2 3 4. I'm just typing, pressing tab on my keyboard. Okay, pressing, and the text is going towards the right. Why I'm keeping this text towards the right, you will get known now in the practicals. See, for example, I have typed this. This is a file, this is my file, I like this file. If you want to make any change with the document, with the font size, with the font face, with the font style, with the font color, you can make these changes by selecting that particular line. For example, this is the first line. This is a file. If it's not visible for you, I'll grow the font of this. Okay, now after that, if I want to make any change in this first line, this first sentence, this is a file, I'll select this by pressing the left cursor and dragging the mouse towards the left or towards the right of the line. Then after that, I'll go here. This is Calibri body. This is the font face. By default, the font face is Calibri body, and by default, the font size is 11 in Microsoft Word. Okay, it's shown 14 because I have already changed the font size here. See, this is Calibri body. You can change any font face here. This is the theme font. You can change any. You can see that's live telecast. Now you got why I move that text towards the right side also, so that you will get the live telecast of the change. Now this is Algerian is the font. I selected this Algerian for the first sentence. For the second line, I want to make the font size bigger than the first sentence. I'll select the second sentence, and after that I'll go here. This is the smallest font size 8, and the default largest font size is 72. So if you want to enlarge this line more than 72, you just go to that option, that is grow font option, that's increase font size. This is the increase font size option. You can click here, see it's growing, you can see on the screen. Yes, now we are on the 120 font. Okay, if you want to move more than 72, you can use this option. If you want to come back, you just have to click on this small arrow, and after that click on the font size which is required by you, for example 24. I'll click here. So this is font face, this is font size. You can decrease the font size by this. You can see that increase font size will have, besides that there is a decrease font size option as well. See this line is, you can see this is selected line, then I'll click on the decrease font size. See the font is decreasing, see, okay, it moved to 12 now. Alright, so this is font face, this is font size, this is increasing font, this is decreasing font. So if you want your font or this your text, whatever you are typing in your document, to go to the default settings, for example you don't want any change, whatever you have you made change into the document or in the file or with the text, you don't want these changes to be done. You want your text to be on the default position. So select the whole text and go to this. You can see here this is clear all formatting option here. I'll click here. You can see this will go to the left where I first started, and with the 11 font size with the Calibri body font face. That's it for the day. Inshallah we'll do the remaining practicals from today. We have started this, so you will do the practice of the same at your home. Thank you for this. Thank you Goenkans.